Hello. In this video, you will learn video editing in Filmora Wondershare in 2 minutes. If you have already downloaded and installed Filmora Wondershare, it is time to learn how it works. If not downloaded, check the link given in description first. When you open Filmora Wondershare, this is the screen display. It has 3 main sections. First is the display section where you will see the video you are editing in the frame and preview your work. The lower section is the editing section where you will add clips, pictures or audio to be combined to make a video. Editing will happen here. And this on the left is the selection area. You will add all media which will be needed for the video here. Filmora gives you a range of colors to select for the background. Also a few sample videos and images you can use royalty free. You can choose suitable background music for your video in the audio section. In the Media tab, you can import your own videos and you have recorded them to be added. You can import a full video folder at a time. If you want to record a screen, record a camera or add voiceover, you can do all from Filmora from this tab. When you actually want to start editing and have added media you will need, you can select any file and drag and drop it in the editing section. On top of the editing section is the editing toolbar. It has options like undo, redo, delete a selected clip from the editing section, crop, clip a specific area for special effects and manage the speed of the video. On the right, you can add markers, add voiceover to the video clips, merge audio and adjust the timeline display in the editing section. You can also preview or take a screenshot to add. To complement your video, you can select a sound clip from the samples and drag and drop it to the editing section to go with the video. Once you are done with editing, you will select export. A window will pop up. You can choose a name and location to save, adjust resolution and also select the device to change the settings automatically. Select a video format and click on export. Your video is ready.